Hey everyone, if your computer is running out of storage and you have no idea which files are taking up all that space, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use TreeSize Free to quickly find large files and folders so you can decide what to keep and what to remove. So let's get started. First, open TreeSize Free from your desktop or the Windows Start menu. If you're scanning your main system drive, it's best to run the program as administrator. That way, TreeSize can analyze more folders and provide a more complete picture of your storage. Once the program opens, click the Select Directory button. Then choose the drive or folder you want to analyze. Most users will select the C drive, but you can also scan external drives, USB devices, or any specific folder. As soon as you make your selection, TreeSize begins scanning automatically. After the scan is complete, TreeSize organizes everything by size, with the largest folders appearing at the top. Yeah, this makes it much easier to spot where your storage is being used. If needed, click the size column to make sure the largest items stay at the top of the list. Now expand the folders by clicking the small arrows next to them. Continue opening subfolders until you reach the files inside. This step helps you narrow down exactly which files are consuming the most storage, instead of only seeing the folder totals. For an even better overview, switch to the tree map view if it's available. The largest files and folders appear as the biggest rectangles, making them easy to identify at a glance. You can also use the details view to see additional file information like size, location, and modified date. Before deleting anything, take a moment to review each file carefully. Focus on files you recognize, like old videos, downloaded installers, backups, or documents you no longer need. Avoid deleting Windows system files or application files unless you're certain they're safe to remove. A quick review now can save you from bigger problems later. And that's how you can quickly find large files with TreeSize Free. Once you know what's taking up your storage, cleaning up your computer becomes much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.